In this video, I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on a Redmi A7 Pro. Now, the thing is that we do not have display fingerprint sensor on this phone, and instead we have the fingerprint sensor located here on the power button. And the good news is that the fingerprint is actually pretty fast. So usually I can just simply tap on the power button in order to unlock the phone. So as you can see, it works pretty much immediately. And it doesn't matter if the phone is completely locked, if the display is off, or I am on the lock screen. I can just simply tap on the sensor in order to unlock the phone. The sensor is really good at recognizing the fingerprint, so it doesn't take a very long time to unlock the phone. It works pretty much immediately, straight away. Of course, unfortunately, there is no like a nice animation when we actually unlock the phone, but that is really not the point of this video. We are talking about the speed of the sensor, and the speed is actually very impressive. It works pretty much immediately. It works better than many display fingerprint sensors on other smartphones. And that is all. I don't think there is anything else that I can say about the speed of that fingerprint sensor. It's just really fast. It doesn't have any problem with recognizing the finger. Of course, you might have trouble with unlocking the phone if you have like a wet finger or something like that, or if it's like really dirty, although I'm not entirely sure if that's truly the case. But often if the finger is, if your finger is wet, then you might have some trouble with unlocking the phone with the fingerprint sensor. But if we do not exclude that, then in that case the sensor works great and it is very, very fast. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.